Hey, what's good guys, it's Zach. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another episode of Best Android Apps. As always, links to these applications can be found down below in the description, so make sure you go and check all of them out. First up, we've got Unapp. If you're looking for an easy way to uninstall applications, this is the way to go. With this, you don't have to scroll through a long list and uninstall one by one. Unapp lets you take out multiple apps at once. You can sort them alphabetically, by installation date, and if you're really serious about clearing some phone space, you can sort them by size. You can also choose to easily uninstall applications with a swipe gesture. You can hide system applications to only show ones that you've manually installed. And if you upgrade to premium, you get access to the dark theme. Good stuff. Next up, we've got Minimal Screen Recorder. This one's pretty self-explanatory. This app is super clean and it lets you capture videos of your display. Now, a lot of other screen recording apps are loaded with ads. This one, however, is not. It's also not tied down with a boatload of settings. What you get here are the basics. You do get a dark theme, thumbs up for that. You can adjust the recording frame rate and the bitrate. It comes with a really handy quick settings toggle, and you can also set it to stop recording when you shake your device. This has quickly become my go-to application for screen recording, and the best part is it's free. Third app on hand is Memoria Photo Gallery. This here is a super clean and nicely put together gallery application that makes for a great stock gallery replacement. It's really easy to navigate with 3 different panels up top. You've got all of your photos arranged by date taken or date added. You've got albums, and you've got a separate page dedicated to favorited photos so you can better keep track of the ones you like best. You can create albums, you can hide albums, and there's even a vault function where you can use a PIN or a passcode to access hidden albums or to delete pictures. The app also lets you long press on a picture to get a quick and better look at it, which to some may be a familiar function. Now, the settings are actually pretty beefy and they really let you take full control of everything. You've got things like the ability to completely change the theme and the colors of the UI, which I really like. You can change the gallery layout, you can change the album card style, and more. The app is free, but there is a premium that gets you access to all of the features, and I highly recommend that you check it out. And special thanks to the developer of this application who is giving the first 50 of you that check out the description a promo code for the app. So go get your code. At app number 4, we've got Vocabulary Builder. It's pretty self-explanatory. This application helps you boost your vocab by teaching you new words. You've got beginner, intermediate, and advanced tiers. With each new word, you get everything you need from audible pronunciation, definitions, to visual cues and example sentences. The app helps you keep track of your progress and all of the words that you've learned. You can set yourself a daily reminder to study, and you can customize your sessions by adjusting your preferred vocabulary, words per session, and word repetition frequency. Overall, it's a great app. It's very helpful, it's well put together, it's easy to use, and I recommend you guys try it out. Life's too short for bad Wi-Fi, and that's the slogan of this video sponsor, Eero, and they could not be more right. Their new 2nd generation Eero along with Eero Beacon are now tri-band and twice as fast, which helps users experience a clean, fast, and reliable connection in every room. Now on top of that, you can grab Eero's Plus service, which was made to defend all of your connected devices against malicious and unwanted content. You can monitor and control what your kids can and cannot access, and if you're dealing with a bunch of ads and pop-ups, Eero Plus helps with that too. Since I'm not exactly super close to my router, the 2nd gen Eero and Eero Beacon help me get a faster, more reliable, and more secure connection that I can monitor and control myself. And the great thing is that everything was super easy to set up. So go ahead and check out eero.com/Zach and use code ZACH to get $100 off the Eero base unit and 2 beacons package and a full year of Eero Plus. You can find the link for this down below in the description. Alright, now halfway down the list we have scripts. With this app you can learn how to read and write Chinese characters, the Korean alphabet, or even the Japanese writing system. I think one of the best parts of this application is its user interface. Everything is nicely laid out, it's got nice colors and effects, and overall it's very nicely made. The learning process is simple and straightforward, and it just makes learning to read and write a new language fun. If you go premium, you get access to more languages and scripts, as well as an ad-free experience. This app is pretty neat, and I think you guys will get a kick out of it. Up next, we've got one of my favorite wallpaper applications, AMOLED Walls. Now, I've talked about this one a few times before, but I just had to mention it again for a couple of reasons. First of all, the updates. New wallpapers are added to this app on a regular basis. As of now, there are over 1,500 different ones to choose from. Second, the walls themselves are very, very nice. They're super crisp, made at a 2560 by 1440 resolution, all organized into more than 20 different collections. And third, well, your boy's got his own set of wallpapers in here, so shout out to the developer for that. Oh, and the application has themes, and thumbs up for that. This has been a go-to of mine for some time, and if you haven't tried it out yet, you're really missing out. At app number 7, we've got the Wolfie widget pack for KWGT. You get 159 different widgets to choose from. There are tons of different looks and styles for different tasks, and the app actually comes with 88 different wallpapers that complement the widgets nicely. This is a great way to freshen up your home screen. And what a better way to freshen up your home screen, try out your new wallpapers and widgets, then with a new launcher. This is Lawnchair V2. Now, this has been in the works for some time already, but it's been getting updated a good amount recently, so I thought I'd mention it on the channel again. Back in November 2017, I did a full overview of the original version that you can find on the Play Store. Now, the fact that I did a dedicated video shows just how in-depth and customizable this launcher really is, and as you can see, this launcher has a setting for pretty much everything. Long story short, if you're looking for a clean, pixel-style launcher that's got loads of tweaks and customization, this is a fantastic option. If you guys would like an updated dedicated video on Lawnchair and Launcher, more specifically Lawnchair V2, then let me know down below in the comments, and by hitting that like button. The devs have been doing a great job with this so far. You can grab the launcher for free, and I highly recommend that you do so. So second to last, we've got Favo. This here is a new puzzle game that I've recently become a fan of. The concept here is pretty simple. All you have to do is match and connect the 3 colored elements to each other. It's kind of like Tetris. You get different pieces at the bottom, you can tap on them to rotate them for possible better fit, and as you progress, you'll get these merge panels that you can use to bring a large cluster of panels together into one to clear up space. You've got an endless high score mode and a challenge mode as well. I actually really like this game. The UI is clean, it's got neat sound effects, it's stress-free, and overall it's just a lot of fun. Try it out. Last but not least, we've got Core. This is a high score game, and the goal here is to get this what they call lightning ball through a number of obstacles, and all you need to do is tap. As you progress, the obstacles will get tougher and tougher, and they'll be sure to test your timing and reflexes. The app itself is pretty sleek, it boasts a better experience when you use headphones, and overall it's just a good challenge. Go check it out. So that does it for this episode of Best Android Apps. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. That does it for me. I will talk to you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.